Hello everyone, welcome to PSY 7620 Inferential Statistics. My goal in producing this video is to orient you to the course. And once you access the Inferential Statistics course room, the first thing you should do is click on the Getting Started link and read about how you might approach the course, and in particular, the Cogbook's adaptive learning tool. This is a new personalized learning system that consists of statistics modules that you'll work through in order to gain a better understanding of the concepts that we'll cover during the course. In addition, you'll notice that we'll also have discussions and assignments as your other courses that you've previously taken. The syllabus also provides similar information, but this is also where you will access the Cogbook's learning module. And this is where you'll start, and you'll notice that we have two modules: Inferential Statistics Part 1, which consists of subsections based on the different content that you'll read about, and then you'll be asked to answer questions, and you'll work through those modules throughout the course. And then you can barely see this, but this is the second part, Inferential Statistics Part 2. You have to complete Part 1 before you can complete Part 2. So I just want to introduce you to this. This is going to be part of your grade, and you'll need to complete it by the end of the course. What's important about this is that you should plan to complete the modules that will complement the assignments that you will be asked to do, for example, like the t-test and the correlation assignments. If we scroll down to the grading requirements, or the grading portion of the syllabus, you can see that your grades are based on discussion participation and your assignments. Now there are four main assignments that you will do: that you'll actually analyze data, you'll produce the results using SPSS, and then you'll write up a report. And I'll post examples of how to do that, and I'll have videos posted that will show you and guide you through each of the assignment activities. You'll also have four main discussions that you'll need to complete throughout the course, and we can scroll down to those. Unit 1, you're going to have a reflective practice discussion due week 1, but you'll also have a reflective practice discussion due each week. And if I access the reflective practice discussion, what I've done is I've created a thread that you will post to each week. So for week 1, you'll discuss your reflections about the course content that you've encountered to date, like for the first week, and etc. So each week you will post to the reflective practice discussion. Then you'll also notice that there's a second discussion that's due at the end of week 1, and then a third discussion basically that's due week 2, setting up SPSS. A fourth discussion, the null and alternative hypothesis, that's due week 5. And then the final discussion is using analysis of variance to compare groups due week 2. Oh, one other discussion. I thought that was the final one. A discussion based on your conceptualization of population and means, and that's due week 9. So going back to the syllabus, just to review, you're going to have discussion participation grades, unit activity grades, which include the weekly reflective practice discussion, and then the completion of the Cogbooks instructional modules. Now make sure that, going back to the discussions, make sure that you access each discussion forum and make sure you introduce yourself, read the faculty expectations, and make sure that you acknowledge that you've read them. And then there's also an Ask Your TA discussion that you can post questions that the TA, our teacher assistant, will respond to. And I've made the Ask Your Instructor forum unavailable because if you have questions, I want you to email me directly in the course room. I check the course room email every day, and I'll be prompt in responding to your question. If I have too many places to look, then I may not be as prompt as I would like to be in making sure that you get started on the right track. So please review the course requirements, the grades, the assignments, the discussions, and the Cogbooks personalized learning modules. And please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.